16 NFL Gold Rush Football Jersey Edition. This is a 2-box break. This was a random teams break. Good luck, everybody. If you haven't checked this out, please do so. We're live 7 nights a week at breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Gonna hear the popping of the seals. Ooh, nice one. How about a Bo Jackson? Bo knows, baby. Bo knows. Going out to the Oakland Raiders. SD Tiger, what do you know? Off the jump. Taking a nice Bo Jackson Raiders hit there, buddy. That is a nice one. Nice hit, SD Tiger. There is your jersey, bud. Comes with a PSA DNA. There's your cert. All right. Congrats, buddy. Let's get that next box coming up. He said shocker. Tell you what, SD Tiger's been on a roll with me lately, man. He has been on a flipping roll lately, guys. SD Tiger said he ain't coming to socialize. He's here for business. Here we go. And here we go. Can hear the popping of the seals. Good luck, everybody. Nice. Ocho Cinco. Chad Johnson. Cincinnati Bengals. Going out to Ramfram. Taking it down. The Ocho Cinco. Nice. Nice hit, Ramfram. There you go, bud. Got your signature there at the top of the 5. Ocho Cinco. Nice hit, buddy. And here is your JSA certification. All right, bud. Nice hit, Ramfram. Congrats, man. All right, guys. What do you mean look at the back? We did. It says Ocho Cinco. Yeah, that's what I said. It's Ocho Cinco on the back. Yeah, Ocho Cinco. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, that completes the 2-boxer. That was pretty solid from Gold Rush. Bo Jackson going out to SD Tiger, and Chad Johnson, Ocho Cinco, going out to Mr. Ramfram. We're live 7 nights a week. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.